Bonjour, hi! Welcome to this recorded live session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, that's why I put timestamp in the description so you could skip to the part that interests you. Also, if you want to know exactly when I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fbucheros. But for now, let's watch this session. Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome, it's my favorite stream of the week. Friday. Well, like Wednesday and Monday. Well, I like all days of the week. And the weekend also. Super happy to be here today with you. We fixed last Friday. It was a kind of a miss because we had a lot of trouble, but today I'm sure it will be good and we have a lot of work to do. So let's start with the introduction. So I'm Frank Boucher, your host, and I like to share with you my Azure stuff. So we do Azure stuff, Microsoft Cloud. You can find me on internet, on Twitter. I'm fbucheros. You have a GitHub page. You have all those information available in the chat. So if you type !commands, you will have instruction to see all the commands, and those are with GitHub, Facebook, Twitter. I have a YouTube account also where every second week I share a short video to answer technical problem, and also all the archive of Twitch go there 1 week after. Because on Twitch they are only available for 60 days, so that's why I push them over there. What else? So today I want to work on a new project, and let's right away introduce this project. Where is it? Here? What? No. Did I close that? Why my stuff is not working? No. Okay. Well, we'll figure that out together. So today I want to work on, and I don't know why it's not showing up. Like, why it's not working? And why? Let's change something. Input. Grab the input of the keyboard. It should be. So why? Ah, there it is. It was just frozen for a little while. There it is. Cool. So today we are working on the Azure AzSubscriptionCleaner. It's a new project, and the intention is to, delete the resources that you don't use anymore. And I did some work during the offline, so let me explain. First, I had this nice, well, I find it nice. I don't know what you do, but kind of logo-ish. I'm visual, so I always need stuff, so it's appealing. It looks better, I think, that way. So Azure's subscription cleaner, what it does, every morning, it will trigger an Azure function. The Azure function will check for all the resources that have a tag name expired on, and check the date. If the date is in the past, then it will delete the resources. Why we go by resources instead of resource group? Well, because maybe you want to delete all the resources in a resource group except maybe the storage. You want to delete the VMs and like all the stuff, but you want to keep the storage. So by going by resources, we have a little bit more flexibility on that way. And Hey, Sambok. Oh no! Did you delete everything? You had, like... What happened? Like, did you delete all your resources? Half of it? Because you tagged everything, or because you had a bad query? So the script, like the Azure function, when it's done deleting the tag expired, let's say expired resources, then maybe some resource group will be left empty. So then it will delete all the empty resource group. And the goal of that tool, because there's tools that exist that are way better than this one, like, you know, have a lot of control, but sometimes they require you to pay some fees, and it's good, like it's for like big corporation and stuff. The thing here is a tool for smaller users like you, like me, you know, maybe SMB or you know, little company that don't want to spend or are scared to spend too much time or money on that kind of tool. So the idea is to have like one click button. So you click on that, it will open, like I can do it right away without doing it. So if you click, it will open a Azure portal page. Then you just need to click, select your name, where you want to put it. So is it like in Canada, or like you want to do, like you pick your location and then you deploy. It's free. Like it's free. Like there's no charge to deploying it. Of course, you will pay tiny fees for the Azure function running, but it shouldn't be a lot of money, talking maybe like a few bucks a month. I don't know, like 2, 3, I don't know. I think once I get that thing running for a little while, I will update that README to say, oh, you know what, based on my usage, it costs me blah 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 for a month. And yeah, and then I want to put some more information about manage tags. Of course, you can manage it to the portal. You can also, when you create your ARM template, you could put tags over there. So I want to put a little bit more information, and my intention was to work on that today. However, the job was supposed to start running for the first time yesterday. It didn't, because I will explain later, but it didn't, and I fixed it. And then we still have some problem. So instead of working on the, like, we'll see, but instead of working on the tags management today, we'll fix the problem, and then if we still have time, we'll update this. So in the chat, yeah, I was cleaning up, yeah. And you delete too much, I'm assuming, SMAP UK? It happens to me too sometimes. I don't need that, I don't need that, and that, and then of course the week after, you need it. It's like when you do cleaning in your, you know, house or something. So, I never read that book, like it's my, I don't know, university notes about this course, and it's been 5 years, I don't need it anymore, and then you throw it away. And of course, next week, you need it. Okay, so you... So that's the plan. And also, I want to make it easy for any user that want more features. So I want to add like a contribution, like want more something, and then you should go and create an issue. But for people who are not used to Git, I want to make it like super easy. So I want to create a contribution page with like very detailed step, assuming that the person who's reading or want a feature know nothing about Git or GitHub. So I want to make it as, you know, easy as possible, because right now it's only my ideas, how that tool could be used. And I think we all need to keep our Azure subscription clean, so it should have a little bit more stuff in it. I want to start simple, so it's up there and ready to be used, but then we'll add more feature in it, and maybe even like people could start collaborating, so that will be also very nice. You know, I'm thinking like we should have like maybe with owners, so you could only delete stuff that, you know, you are the owner, or maybe we should have a report coming back to us, or maybe we could have a warning, hey, you know what, those resources will be expired next week. I don't know, like things like that. So I want to do this, like, you know, more stuff, and when we'll start having features, of course I want to have a nice glue board on that. Right now, like, it's pre-alpha or whatever. And also one question that I'm asking, and I'm not sure, like that deploy to Azure button, it's really cool, but how will we work with version? Right now, like, I'm not as, like, right now it's not working, so it's not even V1, right? But let's say we are V1, like we say V1, and I must, like, I never really manage version in GitHub, so I will need to, I know there's a way, I just need to learn a little bit more about it, maybe tags, or I forgot how it is, but, you know, we'll need to specify this is version 1. We add features. How can the person know I'm about to deploy a new version, what's the feature in that version, and things like that? You know what I mean? Like, how we'll do that? For me, it's not clear. I'm assuming, since, like, yeah, that's the part where I'm not sure yet. We should have a way to say, oh, you know what, like, you're running right now version 1.0 and you're about to deploy version 1.5. So yeah, I need to find a way. You are creating some branch release. Yeah, there's branches. Oh, you mean like, no, I don't want to keep multiple branches. I just, you know, if someone already have that deploy and want to redeploy, how they check which version they have in their environment. So we'll need to have something that specify what version it is. Maybe it's an app settings, something that says, oh, you're running version blah blah blah. Not like Azure Function, but the Azure Subscription Cleaner version 1.0. I don't know, like, should have something. So, you know, if you're running it and, hey, why, how come I'm not receiving reports? Well, because it's not in the version you are currently have deployed. But I don't want to maintain multiple versions. I'm always keeping the last one. Though we could create branches. I'm just not sure. Anyway, that's one thought. So Sam UK, I was creating some pipeline for Blazor project and realized that I had a lot of old resources that no longer runs. Oh, you're creating pipelines to deploy in Azure, so Azure pipelines. Is it working? I'm not sure it's working right now. I think it will be. It will probably be working on the next release. If I remember when I talked to. Oh, you got it to work as a website, and you were running what kind of template? Was it the Blazor server side or the WebAssembly? The Blazor WASM. Oh, I'm interested. I was trying to do something like that and I didn't have it, like, it was not working. but I was in the earlier version, and I talked to I forgot his name, Dan Rutt, and he told me that they had a bug right now, and it will be fixed in version preview 9, I think. So I was just waiting, and that's why I didn't progress in the reading notes or the AZPic project, because I'm waiting for those things to be fixed before. Server side, client side, mix those. Okay. Yeah. Cool then. Cool. So let's explain what happened. So let's go in code view. And so I did some work offline. And I should, whatever. So just before, so I did explain, no, I'm about to explain. Okay. So I did some work offline. First, when we were working on that, I had all that code in a subfolder, and when we deploy, it didn't, like, the function app was created, but not the function. So what I did is I moved everything like one folder up. Oh, I think maybe like here. Can we see the difference? No. So anyway, so everything except the README file was in a subfolder. So I move everything up. So now when we deploy, it's working. Well, the code got deployed. But then I tried to run it, and I got some error. Do I still have the logs of those things? Activity log? Maybe I have. I did try to run it a little bit, also messing around. Oh no, that's... Anyway, so it was not working because in the ARM template, let's open another project. Hey, Copper Birdie, how are you, man? So when I ran the function, I think I fixed it. Anyway, so the problem was the runtime. The runtime was set in .NET because remember it was at the end of the stream, and I quickly took the ARM template from the unzip everything, and that's .NET .NET function. So of course, when it tries to run a PowerShell code inside a run .NET, like, it failed, so it didn't run. So this morning, I changed that, push it. So if I push it, no, I didn't push it, or did I? I don't remember. Like, let's go in here. Do I have? Yeah, I have the last. Oh yeah, so I did, okay, yeah, I was like, hey, I ran it and I saw other errors. So I think what I did is I changed it from here, app settings, because I was just waiting for, like, I wanted to wait with you, to be with you. Nope. Trying to go fast. Configuration? Yes, configuration and runtime. And I change it for PowerShell. And when you run that, it was complaining that the module was missing. So back to square one. Well, not square one, but you know, back to the beginning where we're trying to add modules. So today we'll need to change our JSON template to have the PowerShell command because I don't want to hack it every time. And we need to import the thing. So I did not do a lot of research about that. I was poking around in the project file, so we'll do that. So first, let's just change this for PowerShell. So now it will run correctly. Yeah. I don't remember. I have the feeling that I'm forgetting something. But I don't know what it is. Is it clear why it didn't work and like why just changing this is like will fix everything? Like, you know, rookie mistake. So it will fix everything because the Azure function is a PowerShell script. And if we go in the time trigger, like this is our script, PowerShell, right? So that's why it was not working. And now, like there's that thing, requirement. Last time it didn't really help me because the only file I need is not explained in here. Also, there's another file. Where is it? Profile. In profile, I was really tempted to, you know, like just do something like I have that. You know, just run this. We could be a little bit more smart. Let's Google it. I'm searching that. So. There it is. So we could check if something is there. If something is there, then like we don't install it. And I was thinking maybe we could have, and I should test my script first. You know, like if and then I think it's not something like this. Something like that, right? So if, because this is supposed to return if the commandlet is there. So if there's nothing, then just install the module. So, and that's at the cold start. So I'm thinking like the first time it should work, and if it's missing, then it will do it. And I don't care, like I'm not expecting to have the function to run like in like 10 milliseconds. Like it will be running for a while. And even then, so, and that's the other thing, like I'm not sure right now the function is running with a dynamic, and I think it's not the proper way. I think I should be running in a like service plan or something like that. But then that will be fixed cost, so I'm not sure. I think we'll may need to update those things. So I think if we are running that, I may fix our thing. So the only way to validate that is to try it. Right now we're working on master. Let's do that, and we'll start doing branches at the end of the, like once it's fixed, we'll be working on different things. We'll create branches, but for now let's just do it that way. So let's push our code. So I have fixed this, and okay, so stage everything, fix runtime, add module. Yeah, push. Oh yeah, I know what I need to say is Monday. I'm really not sure I will be able to stream. I'm going to Toronto for 2 days. There's someone in my team that joined, and I'm his day one buddy. Super excited about that. It was super cool to have someone else in Canada for doing in the Cloud Advocate. So yeah, it will be very exciting. So I will spend the day at Toronto, and then I'm not sure. I'll probably have a dinner with the team over there and stuff. So I'm not sure I will be able to stream. I will bring everything in case I can stream from my hotel room. Hopefully, I will be able. But like I may send a tweet, a last minute tweet, say no stream. Okay, so now I should definitely delete. Should I delete everything? You know what? Let's see. Nope. She's coming from Berlin. Just moved to Toronto. So deployment, fixed run. Okay. So now if I run this, I think instead of doing that, what I could do is just do, yeah, I could go here in platform feature, go in configuration, not configuration, and function app settings, nope. All settings. Yes. And now I go in Deployment Center, and I will just sync this stuff. Because behind the Azure function, it's a website, right? It's using the same stuff as a website. And there's a Git repo over there. And what we did is we created a relationship like a remote as being our GitHub repository. So by doing that, now we see like fix runtime and add module has been updated. So the code now is updated. So if we do now come here with the VS Code extension, we could open this, get here, stream the logs, run the function, and we'll see if it's working. Sounds like a plan? It sounds like a plan. Will it work?
I got a bad feeling about this.
We'll see. Don't be so dramatic. So, okay, so functions. So now I'm right-clicking on the function, and because I have the the Azure, let's start again. Because I have the Azure extension and also the function extension, I can here start streaming the logs. So now the logs in Azure of my function will be pulled here in my console. And with the same function extension, I will execute the function right now, and I will see if there's an error. We'll see it right away. And we'll see if our hack is the good way. Like I should definitely have a look. Though I feel like on stream, it's better if I just try different things than if I spend 20 minutes reading. If I was alone, I will probably like search, read, maybe try two things and it will work. But I feel like now we're exploring at the same time. Okay, so now execute the function now. So let's maximize this. Yes. Well, it's my personal one, and I in the code right now it won't delete anything because it have the what if, so nothing will be deleted anyway. But I was expecting to have some logs, but not that logs. I was expecting my logs, not error. So, error executing or trigger, failure cannot parameter name. What? Definitely not expecting that. Is it the same thing if I do it again? I should have tried my profile. Maybe I have a typo there. Yeah. So I don't see anything. When I tried it previously, it was saying before adding that code. Maybe I should have showed you. It was saying, you know, importing module and then failing. Okay, so apparently something is not working. Okay, so stop this. You mean deleting everything by mistake? Yeah, we all do. Yeah, we all do that. Right? That's why when I create a function, there's a what if. But right now, I don't understand why. Like, it's not even working. Like, let's delete that. Go back in the code. Let's go in the deployment folder. We'll add a new file. New file. We'll call it test.ps1. We'll put that here. Now let's do a PowerShell thing. And should I just do this? Should have a else. So we know if, like, yeah, I didn't do anything because you already have it, dummy. Let's say oh yeah, you know what, let's put, do we need, I don't think we need, like if I say write host output, right? Something like that, right? And then I'm assuming else, whoops, and well, no, like, why should I run it every time? I don't want to run it every time. Name the module in the output in case you have put other line in. What? Like this? You're right. Yay! I should have like applause or something, but thank you. It's great. Good comment, Sam Puke. You're right. It's better that way. So that looks better. So now should we? You know what? Let's push it without. I don't want to spend time. I got the error. I just want to. Like, and I don't know why I was working on my machine. Like when we try it locally, maybe because it was running locally and I have it, probably, right? Okay, let's do search. Azure. Oh, excellent. No automation. Oh no, it's not a custom, like it's an easy module. Are you running the same version of PowerShell? You had, like, I had the same problem between PowerShell Windows and PowerShell Core. Oh. I'm in Azure, so locally I don't want to do that. Well, definitely document it once we found it. You know what? Oh, I forgot the URL. Anyway, let's do the port. No, yeah. Because you can run it. So am I in the... yes. And I should run PowerShell. And I could run our query. That's the error I had, right? How can I change the color? Well, I have no intention to running it here anyway. It was just to test our stuff anyway. So won't do it right now. So let's... So you are in the impression that when you install a module, it's per session. Don't you need to install it every time you run a function? But I don't want to. I could do, like, I really feel like profile, it's what I want. But I could maybe have the same code in here. Not in here. Where is it? What's that code? Oh. Blah, blah, blah. So I could have it here, right? Let's put something different. Let's put back in the old days when you put like, hello, I'm here, line 63. Okay, so let's try that. Until recently, adding a module in Azure blah 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 was a big deal. Yes, you had to upload the module. Okay, you could also upload with kudu FTP. Okay, but I don't want that. So NuGet. Oh, do I need to? I need to NuGet things? Like, it's in preview. I wanna try our stuff. So let's refresh it. Come on. Let's sync. So as an added bonus, all the modules you install via this meetup are available from all function on a time app plan. Okay. My problem with that is can probably use this. Hey. Oh, someone want to code with us today? So let's see with our new code what we have, and we'll try that. Clear the output. We'll go back in here. We'll start that. Maybe we need to do a restart of the function. I don't know. Maybe that was missing. And now we should start streaming the logs. Oh, that's new. The school is started for my daughter, so now she's feeling lonely. Yeah. Okay. So let's execute the function now. Last time, like, why I see that? Profile path. Oh, it's not working. Come on. Why it's not working? This? I thought it was that. How do you... This? Is it different on Linux? How do you select multiple, like block selection, they call it? I thought it was Shift Alt. But it's not working. Pretty sure it was Shift Alt. Or just Shift. No. 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 What I'm doing wrong? Whatever. Let's try this. Sync again. Restart the function. What? A 3? Yeah, it's Shift Alt, then click and drag the mouse. Keyboard shortcut. Maybe there's something like there's something different. File, preference. Let's do it another time. Okay, so now let's execute now. Okay, so the error was when trying to so see, that's clear. Like, did we have it before? Oh no, because now it's a new session, so we lost the, like, this is now clear, like, you know, where is it? So output, module blah 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 not found, installing it right now, warning. Could not find a part of the path, blah blah blah. And that's why you define stuff in your profile that Landwalker 2 was talking about. Now it makes a little bit more sense. Admin right also. You want me to add that to the current column and just try it again? I can do that. Stop streaming the logs. Something like that. Okay, well, let's try it again. One more time. Stage everything. Okay, deployment center. You can check that you have all the required module before proceeding with the rest of the code. It's the only one I use, I think. Or we will need, like in the automation, we'll need the account and yeah, I think it was resources. So let's start the logs. Okay, already active. And now let's execute the function now. Maybe I should have put verbose or something. Still complaining about some path not found. Probably need to set up some environment variables. Okay. So first, make sure NuGet package provider is installed. Microsoft has not installed it on the server running Azure Function. I usually add this, blah blah blah. Okay. But so that's a long time ago. That's a really long time ago. Dude, did you write anything? So, is it too small? So in the previous version of Azure Function for PowerShell, you either had to add a module folder for each function in your Azure Function, or you could hack the PS module path variables. The first solution gave you redundant module administrative overhead. The second, re-import the module every time function was restarted, which introduced possible breaking changes in your code. Yep. In Azure Function v2, you can place the module folder at the same level as your function. That will make the module in what? That will make the modules in the modules folder available for all your function. To demonstrate this, place any module in a module folder. You can use any official module from Microsoft found on module path on your machine. Create your own custom, place it there. Seriously? Did I stop the logs? Yes, huh? I did stop the logs. Let's stop it again just to be sure. Stop logs. Disconnecting. Okay, cool. Much easier. No kidding. Well, we're here to learn, right? What we just did is learning. Well, it's still not working yet. Well, you know, before celebrating module with S, excellent. And now I need to find my module folder. Oh, I should close that window. Where is it? Close this window. Now open my PowerShell command. Paste. Where is the module folder? That's on Windows, right? Yips. Yeah, I know this, but so I need to go in this. Right, because it's all the AZ, and I have AZ search probably in ResourceGraph. I need to copy all that folder. So now it's there. Let's go back to our instruction. So zoom, we don't need this. Okay. So to demonstrate this, place any module in the module folder. So module, stuff module, and it's a folder. Okay, cool. You can use any official from Microsoft found on module path, create an, so we just did that. So there, the module explain. The module in this exam contain the groundbreaking stuff function get stuff. Okay, function, oh, that's in the module. Function get stuff, blah 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 blah. Okay. Oh, good idea. So now you go and run PS1 file, okay, and adjust it to use the module, something like this. Get module. What? Oh, like it. He just used it, right? He's piping it in it. Now you adjust it to use the module, but where, like, yeah, like that's it. Okay, so let's change our code then to remove where is it? Here. So apparently we don't need this. And again, why it's not working? Okay, Control K comment, please. That worked. So apparently, I will. Maybe I need to do AZ. Oh, it's not clear for me. It's been so long, damn PowerShell. Okay, so let's. So here we add the module locally. Add module to module folder. Stop bugging me. Stage everything, blah blah blah, and push. Let's go in deployment and sync it. Okay, now let's restart the function. Yes, please. I don't think restarting the function is required, but just in case. Is it? I'm surprised that we don't need to specify anything. Okay, so now we have it. So we'll go back in our thing here. We'll, nope, here please, start streaming the logs. That will be cool. Like if that could works, I will be happy. Like means this tool will be there. We'll be super close to V1. Me neither. It was the first time. It was the first time. Okay, so now execute now. Hey, Kelvin. Good morning. So we're not connected. Does it look familiar to you? I think it looked very familiar.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh, damn it. We're back to the... all the setting for... what? I told you, yeah. It's easy, huh? You should have the, like, next time do a pull request, Mr. Landwalker 2. Thanks for the cheer, Mr. Copperbirdie, with the knock knock. Oh, man.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Kind of. Thanks again for the cheer. Like you're leading it. Like you're alone. If you look on the top of the... oh, I love that when I go out in the chat box. On the top of the screen. Where is your name? Over there. You're alone. Leading the cheers bit leadership board kind of things. It's like, you know, you see how like you go on other stream, it's like 10,000s and me like 60. But I'm not doing it for the money anyway. But I bought but like I'm showing that that's not a wall, right? Can I go back in my like regular? If I do this and this green screen, I bought it with the money I got from the like my video and stuff. Like I have that habit. I started that habit long time ago. While doing pictures where the photography was paying the photography, and in my mind the money I do with the video, like, you know, like the, more money is in fact from YouTube. So I have a bigger audience over there than with you, but I don't mind because stream was always interaction, and it's easier to interact, I think, if it's smaller than if like 2,000 people were following me, like watching me right now. Could you imagine the speed of the chat? It will be just like crazy. So I prefer smaller audience. I don't mind more, but yeah. So I have that habit that, you know, the money you have, then you re-inject it in. So the first investment was the emote. So now we have like the thumbs up that Calvin and Copperbirdie have, I think. Who else got it? Yeah, that's it. I think it's only the two of you. Yeah, that one. Eventually, when I get, I think it's more, I need more subscribers. It will unlock things for me, so we'll be able to have more. I had another one that I really like. After that, I may ask another artist to create one for me. But then I also bought my green screen. It's not required, it's just fun. I feel like it's more integrated, feel a bit more, you know. I don't use it yet on my YouTube video, except in the intro, but that's still stream related. But in my YouTube video, I didn't use it. So if you are interested to, hey, surely do. A wall of bricks, I could do a lot of different things, but I kept my white walls. So now I could have pictures or, you know, anything, and it will still look like this for you. Hey, Shirley Dev. But I like the, not the emptiness, but it's clean. I could put like a fake room or something. I like when I'm in like here, like, you know, I put part is like maybe from here it's just blue. On top, it's the beginning of the chat, and it makes sense, kind of, you know, like you see here, it's stopped. So that's my my window right now. In here, in this view, I didn't know what to put. Let me know if you have some suggestions. And in the code view, well, you know, I want distraction free, so I could have put blue stuff. But then it's kind of strange, so I didn't know. So that's why I just put it that way. I could put some cloud, like maybe a video of clouds, so I feel like I'm in the sky. But at the same time, I don't want too much stuff. A lot of stuff is already going. And one thing I notice is my... Where is it? Oh, that thing looks stopped. Is it? Strange. I need to fix that. Usually on the top of the screen that there were like my Twitter and stuff, and now it's not working. I don't know why. Okay, I missed a lot in the chat. Okay, where I was. Okay. Then just making Calvin, yeah, clean. It's underrated. Well, you know, it's clean. Come on, guys. A view from a mountain. Okay, you know what? I will have some fun. We can change it like every weeks or something. I should. Oh, you know, I should do that. Have like, you know how Michael Jolie, you have the candle of the day. Maybe I have the background of the day. So you decide from where I'm streaming. Is it in space? Is it in whatever? We could have some fun with that. Or maybe I could have a command that change my background. But then like that will, yeah. Like I'm assuming like you should have some fun, right? While I'm working. But I need you. I would put, so view from a mountain, okay, and I have a fan, just like feeling vacation. Yeah, that, you know, like I don't have a lot of place to put a fan and like and then the green screen will be flickering, but yeah, well, we could try it. I like that it's clean, so it's good to concentrate. Yeah, that's my point. But I mean, it could be more than a wide, like that's the picture of the wall taking with the webcam. So no, it's not prettier than it was or anything. It's just like before putting the green screen. I took a picture and I use that as as it is. But then I can do things like, you know, this. I would put a large eyes there just to okay. You know what? I'll take notes of your ideas. Hey, thank you for a new subscriber? Is it a new subscriber? Or like, hey. Oh, on YouTube. I need to change that. It's very confusing every time. It's the sound of a subscription, but it's on YouTube. Well, good for him. So thanks for the following, Rush Hi Kesh. In a week, you will see that I'm thanking you. So I want to go here, and apparently, where is it? Stream notes. I need to change the background. You guys. I'll put a green screen. Is it one word or two word green screen? Anyway, so suggestion. It was a mountain, and that was suggested by. Oh, yeah, Frank. And that was suggested by ShirleyDev. Big hi. And that was by Copper Birdie. And I'm assuming you're talking about like a big bloody high, like you know, full of and like Landwalker 2, like here, I find it perfect. Just like, come on. I should have a picture of your, you know, when we're chatting, your background is cool with your guitar and stuff. Should put that behind me so I look cool. Cool like you, man. I was missing about the OBS and the stream earlier on, so I may stream while I'm working. Oh, that's cool. Let me know. I'm assuming I'm following you already, right, ShirleyDev? Am I? Come on. I think I may try to do the. I need to find a way to make it clean though. So I'm reading Landwalker 2 suggestions with the audio. Will you guys like that instead of talking? I'm just afraid that it will turn in a big mess, like where everybody will be talking at the same time. I have no problem doing it with like I have one guest. Come on. Control C, Control V. What do you think, guys? Should we add Discord audio? Would you go there and connect, or you prefer typing? Because I know a few of you are watching it like in background noise, right? Or having multiple stream open at the same time. Oh, you would like to... I can probably do that. I have one channel with audio. A voice channel. Oh no, it's not a private channel. I want it public. So create. But I think right now it won't work because my mic is taken by OBS. So I created a new one. So if I go here, so I'm not sure if it's working, but right now I'm in the new channel live stream on my Discord. So if you're not in my Discord, you could do !Discord in the chat. And I don't know if it's working. I think like you should have all access to it to listen. I could do that. So Landwalker 2, listen to the stream in Discord. Yeah, it's hard because I'm a DevRel. Maybe someday. So you would like to participate. I could, like, I think I could, you know, what I could do is, okay, let's close it. Let's put the limit to 1 user. So now there's, oh yeah, but if I'm there, that's already 1. Need to put, let's put 2 users. Okay. Yeah, and right now I'm muted because my mic is taken. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm in that thing talking. If you're interested, you could go there and say hello. And if it's too... And if you don't talk, then get out to let others. Oh, so I see Landwalker 2. You're muted. So you should unmute yourself and you will be able to talk. In the bottom of the screen, you should have a mic, because right now you're muted. Okay, let's catch. So Landwalker 2, listen, it's hard, no, participate. I like that idea. Okay. I can, like, in French is la chaise musicale, but musically chair? I could have like a one spot free. Do I need to, I don't want to unmute yourself, Alain, if you're... I will get to the bottom of the chat. Maybe you're telling me that you're having some trouble. Pair programming, yeah. Like that's good. Oh, we'll send you some inviting. Okay, cool. A YouTube one. What's the reference, Copper Birdie? An eyeball. Yeah, okay, so I put the... Oh. Eyeball. I don't think you are. I have 4 followers, never streamed. Oh, then if you never stream, but yeah, send me a ping, or you know, I will try to remember and follow you, so I have a notification. So that will be cool, Shirley Dev. So let me know. I'm like way overloaded with work, so I don't watch a lot of stream these days. But I may like just peek for, let's say, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and yeah, Discord is the best place. Cool. Well, Shirley Dev. You know what? Should do this. And then it's... Oh, does that command works? Shout out. Done. Now I see you. I follow you. Does it work, Alain? I see you, but I don't hear you. You look muted. Whatever it is, it should be animated and change. Okay, so... Okay. Something animated. Fine. What? Oh, I will record a video of my cat in her donut and occasionally make her look at the camera so you... Yeah, exactly. Yeah, well. Okay, need to. Damn! I'm so far behind, guys. Okay, open a Discord audio and you lose control of your content. Well, I just did it and I still have control apparently because nobody's talking over there. We'll see. I'm often too lag to type. Speaking will be impossible. Yeah, like that's what I'm thinking. Like I would allow 1 or 2. So if you're not speaking like you know, like you live, or maybe I could control. I don't mind having a guest. I think it would be nice to have someone, like, you know, in a chat. It's standard. Everybody is doing it. Yeah, exactly. Not a reason because someone else. Never say I wouldn't watch chat while streaming and work. You're opening up Discord chat onto your stream? Yes, I did. Well, it is open right now. I limit to 3 users. And right now, Landworker2 is there, but he's not speaking. So I have 1 free spot if you want to try it. Oh, the invite is expired? That's sad. So let's put another invite here. Dev just joined. I will send you a video on a beach background. Cool. Oh, so I didn't work my shout out. Okay, so I need to implement that. You know what? Okay, cool. Unmute me. I cannot unmute you. I can mute you. I cannot unmute you. Ah. I think now you will be able to unmute yourself and speak. Because when I created the channel...
Hello?
Hey! Yes, I can.
Sorry about the background noises. So basically, every time you can create a public channel and decide who's coming in or not, most people will be able to listen to this part, but if you want people to participate to your channel or your stream, you need to give access to the person so he can speak or not.
No, like I think when I created the channel, I blocked, so because you mentioned to listen, so I blocked. I thought you were looking for some kind of a radio kind of stream.
No, because I think that it does work well with the browser when you go on your stream and listen to it. If you need to work, you don't need to watch it necessarily. You can still basically listen. But if you want people to participate into your stream, it's Discord is a great place. It is done, almost everywhere. Like most people have, those Discord people. Let's say that you do play a game, then people go on Discord and you can start playing a game with people and being able to talk with the host. In your case, if let's say you're doing something like you did today, and you want people to participate, help you to go through your, figure out how to do things, and you can have Discord people, talking to it and giving you hints. Oh, maybe you could do that, and basically it's a extreme programming 3.0.
Yeah. Well, I did some guest invite the other day, and like I put the webcam and everything. So I had the Calvin. We did a work together. So I did with guesses sometime, but yeah, it's just that when I create the channel, I blocked everyone. I mean, so now like I have 3 spots over there. I don't want to have too much people, but I don't mind having 1 or 2 guests. If people are aware of that and just want to say hello, and I think I can kick you out or mute yourself.
Yes, you can keep me out, and basically, if let's say I'm starting to tell something that is not appropriate, you can just keep me out. That's it.
Yeah.
But it would work great in your situation when you do programming, right?
Yeah.
Like right now, you're trying to do something. It's the perfect scenario, and you have fully control of it. It's
well, we'll try it. So there's another spot available. So and I'm assuming I didn't ask in the chat, but I'm still very not up to date in the chat. But I'm assuming you can all hear Landwalker 2 talking here. Okay, so let's progress in the chat. Oh, and I'm supposed. Oh, it's wow. Okay, it's 11 already. Yeah. Okay, I'm catching up. I'm super far behind. Shirley Dev. Frank, you need to unmute me. Can okay, it was blocked. That's why. The Discord link is broken. So I had a new one because we can get in. So I had one that worked. Discard sound is a bit quiet, muffled. That could be the mic, and I didn't create a separate entry for Discord, so meaning that the music, like all my sound of my PC is coming in the same output, so it's not different one. So maybe if I create a specific output from Discord, I could put it a little bit more louder than the music. That way maybe the voice will be better. And also it depends on the mic that Landwalker 2 have. I know he got really great mic at home, but I'm assuming right now he's at the office.
I'm right now I'm in Quebec, so I have like my PC mics only, so it's why it's shitty, but usually have everything, like you said, home. I have my perfect mic.
Oh yeah, you got good mics, guys. You're at Quebec City?
Yeah, and it's still a vacation. So watching you stream in vacation, it means that I'm a geek, right?
Yeah, you're hardcore. Oh, did I lose? Oh no, okay, so lag. Well, no, like I think the sound will be okay because I turn also my voice on Discord on, so you will hear me real time in Discord, and you will be able to reply real time in Discord. If I was muting myself in Discord, then yes, you will hear me like stream Twitch, so maybe with a, I don't know, delay, and then you could reply. So that's why I turned it on.
So yeah, when you're using Discord, you need to mute the Twitch browser. So make sure that you only use only one source.
And you probably need to disconnect and reconnect, Shirley Dev, if you want to speak, because when you joined the channel, it was blocked. Nobody could talk. See, now you should be able to speak because you're not unmuted. Yes?
Testing. Hello, please, guys.
Yes, I can hear
that
you.
works.
How are you, man?
I'm good, thanks. Yourself?
Ah, good. It's funny. I have a bunch of people. Cool. So that's great. I think now I reached the end of the stream. I'm up to date. Okay, so I'm already past the time. It's 11:11. I should do a wish. I was planning to stream up to the hour. For me, it's 11. I don't know for you. And now it's past, so I really need to get back to my other things. So I think we'll stop there. So let's go in the split view. Let's clean up things here. So we did this. We changed that. We import the library, but now we need more. We need to log in, right? Where is it? Now we need to fix this. I'll remove that. Fix error that. That should be the priority. Yes. We did not have new follower during the stream. We had some cheers. Is it cheers? How do you call that again? I think it's cheers, right? Cheers. Cheers from Mr. Copperbirdie, who's leading with 60. Where are you? Where are you, my friend? Copperbirdie. I'm just copy pasting from the chat the names. So there it is. And I forgot how many. I think he did 2. It's really 30. I don't know. We'll need to check. 20. This is it. This is it. Okay, so this is save. So maybe I will try to make some progress off stream. Where is it? Oh, I closed the page. Maybe I will try to fix it off stream. If you want to participate, feel free to go in the GitHub repo to know the GitHub projects. You can go and do the command GitHub. You should have the link over there and have all the projects. Feel free to do that if you're thinking about some functionality feature that you would like to have in AzSubscriptionCleaner. Add it, create an issue, and we'll approve it and we'll add it. But right now we need it first to work, so we'll fix that first. Yeah, that's it. I think we're good. So let's go see who's playing right now. Working.
Thanks, Frank, for your stream.
Oh, it's a pleasure. What did you say, Shirley Dev?
Codebase Alpha and C# Fritz are both streaming.
Oh, maybe Mr. C# Fritz. It's always cool. Let's do that. Bring my 9 viewers to his hundreds. So thanks guys. Like I said, I may not be streaming on Monday, but we'll get back to you on Wednesday, that's for sure. And we'll try to finish that project to at least release V1. In the meantime, if you would like to participate, feel free to do pull requests. I will be super happy to have collaboration on the project. So without any more blah blah, see you next day. Bye bye.
Thanks, Frank. Au revoir.
Thanks, Frank.
Bye.
Call us, then, John.